G'day guys, Matt here from AUCampers. Today we're launching the giveaway for the Spinifex Powerhub. $1,000 worth of value in here, alloy construction. You've got your DC-DC unit in there, which is the TJM projector IDC25. You've got your twin USBs, you've got your voltmeter, you've got your two SIG sockets, resettable circuit breaker up there, 250 amp resettable circuit breakers here. Then you've got your solar input, your house battery input, and your start battery. These things here, everything's contained within the unit. Great for someone who's just starting out, not sure where to go with the whole electrical side of things. Hook it up, plug and play. You got your 6 switches up here, comes with all your little stickers there so you can label them as well. For this competition, guys, all we want to do is we want to do the hashtag 4x4 Mega Lifestyle. These guys are all about the lifestyle. We want to do a hashtag AUCampers. Don't forget, also head over to the hashtag at 4x4 Mega Lifestyle group that they've got going. Feel free to join up. Yeah, great bunch of guys. If you get a chance, when you do the hashtag 4x4 Mega Lifestyle and hashtag AUCampers below, post up a picture of your rig, you know, just a lifestyle, out enjoying it. You know, we want to see everyone out and about enjoying the lifestyle. That's what these guys are all about. Anyhow, this comp's going to run for 2 weeks, and we'll be drawing a winner at random, and we'll be doing a screen record as well, just so everyone can see what's going on. You will see numbers pop up in a reply to your post. That is us assigning a number, so then we can run it through a random number generator. That way everyone can see that it's all run spot on fairly. Now don't forget, also head over and check out Spinifex Manufacturing. This canopy is actually built by Spinifex Manufacturing, same with the Powerhub. Great quality work, very impressed. I've got the tray and the canopy from these guys. But anyway, good luck and all the best with the comp. Cheers.